you guys. I was getting kind of worried I wasn't going to be able to film for you guys today because of an SD card, storage, all that problem. But my boy came in clutch. Appreciate you. What's your name, homie?
Hunter.
First time on the vlog or what?
Yeah, man.
So Hunter came in clutch, hooking me up with an SD card so I would be able to film for you guys today. Where are we at, bro?
We are at Woody's Moto Ranch.
I've spun a couple laps already. It's pretty dope. Some spots are pretty slick. It'll be all right. We was out riding earlier today at some trails. Is that the National Forest? Yeah, we was in the National Forest and we decided to come out here afterwards. So this is where we are. So we're gonna try and get as much footage as we can. This track is actually pretty dope.
It's sick, man.
It's basically in like his backyard.
Yeah, it's a backyard track. I mean, couple tabletops, couple doubles.
Yeah, and then it's like a little section through the trees, like a little wooded area. Shout out to Hunter.
Let's get it, man.
If he wasn't here, no, you guys wouldn't have big camera footage because I'm all by myself. Tyler didn't want to come. Probably should never say that. But he decided to stay home today because first of all, let me say this. We was originally going to like this place called Silver Lake. It's almost like a sand pit. So he didn't want to have to deal with sand, and then we changed our mind to come out here to the track. So he'll just have to come next time. Bro, run us over your bike.
Huh?
Your bike over here.
All right, so we got the Husqvarna FE 350. It's got about 1,900 miles on it.
Street legal.
Street legal, completely street legal from the factory.
You should bust out some wheelies for us on this grass in a little bit.
I can do that.
They want to see this.
Yeah, man, I can do that. Yeah, it doesn't. The only mods it has is the FMF slip-on. That's pretty much it. But I mean, this bike can go probably 20,000 miles on the same top end. Retails for about 9 or 10 grand. Picked it up for 4,500 bucks. So it's a steal.
4,500 bucks. Was it brand new?
No, it had about 50 hours on it. So I mean, that's nothing for this bike. Though.
Yeah, I felt earlier. Clutch is like nothing.
It feels like butter, man. That is butter right there. Bike probs, the usual. What's going on, man?
Don't ask me. You be asking the bike. Yo, the bike won't start. Well, let me just say this to you guys. Earlier, while we was in the trail, obviously not a trail bike, assume it overheated. It was midway through, we was heading back, been out there all day, and it stopped running, and it wouldn't start. So we let it cool down for about how long, bro?
Probably 20-30 minutes.
Something like that. And it started, and then it died, and then we waited, and then we started again, and then we took off and made it back to the truck. Now it's doing the same thing. So.
sick, dude.
Alright, I think that's enough. Alright, I kind of called it quits, getting a little tired. Like I said, we were riding all day today in the trails and whatever. I'm getting some clips of him on that 350 real quick. He can pop, bro, I'm telling you, he's like a wheelie monster. He can do some pretty dope wheelies and hold them for a good time as well. They're actually under control wheelies. What is he doing? Is he waiting on me? This. Running. Oh, I just almost dropped you guys. I'm running back and forth. I'm not faster than a dirt bike, but I'm pretty fast. I don't think I've said it. I might have. I can't remember, to be honest with you guys, but this is my first time out here and it's a pretty dope track. Hold on. Oof. I doubt I'm gonna get any GoPro footage for you guys. I'm sorry. For the ones that like the GoPro footage, I don't think I'm gonna get any today. We already told Mr. Woody that we was gonna be here for no longer than 15 more minutes and then we'll head out. But yeah. Whoa! Oh my gosh, I know you guys see this. Look at my leg. Yeah, I'm getting delusional out here. Been out here riding for too long. Never thought I'd say that, riding for too long, but I guess it's a thing. It's your boy Darius, and I'm back again with another video. How you guys doing today? Hope your day is going great, and if not watching this video, it made things 10 times better, baby. We are back again with another video. I forgot to tell you guys, I forgot to say the intro. You dig? If you guys are new, my name is Darius. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and you're watching
Bang, 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 bang.
This was also kind of like a last minute thing. He was like, bro, do you want to head out to Mr. Woody's track? I was like, what? Never been there, never heard of it. He was like, bro, come on, I'll show you. So here we are. Pretty dope little track. I never knew it was out here either. Guys out here on a 350, so it's a pretty dope track. Nothing too major.
But little nigga, you broke in there, look, start running your mouth. Woo, yeah, nigga on froze, VVV, no more S, yeah, me and my slime, we go S.